Hello, I'm Nazar, co-founder of VocAdapt. We are thrilled to present our browser extension to you. Without further ado, let's see what we have. It's very simple to start working with VocAdapt. All you need is the Chrome browser. We'll be supporting other browsers soon. Go to the Chrome Web Store, add the extension, and then log in via pop-up menu. Now we are ready to use the extension. Open any web page, select some text, double-click the V key on your keyboard, and then hit the Adapt button on the Action menu. VocAdapt will now take action immediately. The adapted text becomes much more comprehensible, even for beginners. While surfing the internet, you may still encounter new words or expressions with unclear meanings. Simply select the word, double-click the V key, and hit the question mark button. You'll get an explanation in the target language. You can also get an explanation for the entire sentence if needed. Add those explanations to your vocabulary list if you want to learn them by heart. You can also add a word directly from the text. All the words and expressions you collect are stored on the vocabulary page, with each word accompanied by its context. You can use the vocabulary to learn new words, but that method can be boring and inefficient. VocAdapt offers a more natural solution. Simply select a text, click this button, and it will inject words from your vocabulary into the selected text. The increased exposure to the target words allows you to learn new words faster without relying on tedious drills. Returning to the topic of adaptations, you can receive more personalized adjustments. Simply provide information about your language experience, and VocAdapt will use this data to tailor the adaptations more precisely to your current proficiency level. All the web pages you have worked with are stored on the Bookmarks page. You can highlight parts of text that VocAdapt has modified by clicking on this toggler in the pop-up menu. Additionally, you can switch back to the original page either by clicking on the Switch toggler or simply pressing Ctrl Space. Currently, the Action menu may not appear on some pages. In this case, use the Context menu. If you have any ideas on how we can improve your language acquisition experience, please let us know. Our team is dedicated to continuously improving VocAdapt, so stay tuned and follow us on social media for the latest updates. Links can be found in the description. See you.